Friends, hey, in this video I'm going to give you a guided tour of my hotel room here at the Face Suites. Pleasantly, I was given a free upgrade to the 1-bedroom Premier, I believe. Well, it was a free upgrade, so you're going to be impressed. I love this room, so without further ado, let's go for the walk. Alright, let's access my room. Check this out. Wow. Do disregard the stuff on the floor here because I've had to make a bit of a mess to move in, and do disregard the floor that's inside that one part of the bedroom because yeah, it's later on in the actual day. But have a look at this. Looks like we have a washing machine / dryer down there. This is just a power board of some sort. You don't really use it. It's just the fuse box. You got some containers up there. Oh my god, you can like live in here. I think there's more up there, but how does one access? You have a full-blown kitchen, which I am not going to use, but it's cool that has it there. Oh my god, why would you want to cook in a place like in Malaysia when everything is so cheap? I got some bottled water, more shelving, microwave, yay, oh fantastic. Countertop with a island kitchen thingamabob. So I have air conditioner here, so I've set it to 23 degrees. Look at this, like an own table. It's like almost like a chef's kitchen. Well, kind of, but that chair was originally over there, so I just put that over there so I can just put on some shoes. Like shelving, the air conditioner, this lounge, which I'm probably not even going to use at all, but that is awesome. Back here, you have somewhat view and the air conditioner unit, I think. But let's just go into that. So that is amazing. Oh, where to first? Let's go into the bathroom. Like, this has got to be the largest hotel room I've ever stayed by myself. So here we are into the bathroom. So it looks like we have the sink. What's this? Oh my god. You wouldn't want to lose stuff. Geez, I'm only here for one night. And at the back, you have a large mirror, a very large mirror, bin, toilet. That towel wasn't rolled up like that. I just use that for the pool. A shower, which I'm not even going to use because I've got a surprise for you later. Some storage room. Why would one ever need so much stuff? That's phenomenal. It's like a house. One could live here. That's a toilet. Oh, it does have like a hot water switch that I just turn on. It apparently requires like about 15 minutes to charge up, but the hotel receptionist just said turn it on and just leave it on. So that was the first thing I did. Nice photo. Could be better if you replace it with one of my pictures, but that's besides the point. This is the bedroom, one part of the bedroom. As a bonus, disregard that. On the floor is just my junk. A bed. I've hung up one of my shirts. So you have coat hangers. You have a slipper. And yeah, wow, phenomenal. Look at all this space around here. And some pictures. Its own air conditioner place. Oh, control units there. But I'm just going to use this room just to store my luggage for the one night that I'm here. So there's that. Let's move into the master bedroom. My gosh, I think this little room here by itself is already twice the size of the room that I stayed the night before in Singapore. You have your own office desk, TV, a view, which I can't really see so much. So you can actually turn off these blinders, but they're kind of heavy sort of blinds. But I'll show you. You have city view that looks outside. Not as cool as the panoramic shot that I saw before, but hey, it's not too bad. It's not terrible. I don't know if I can make something out of that later on. I'm just having a look. I've actually even seen the view. Nah, I think when you stay at a place like this, you will make use of that infinity pool that I saw. Anyway, I won't do the blinds now. That seems to be a large king bed, I think it is. Oh my god, bless you. Or double king, I think. Who knows, massive bed, much more room than I ever need. And check this out, a walk-in robe or dresser, and then my own ensuite. So you have your iron and your safe and more hanging space here. Like, you're traveling. Why would you need to bring a whole house? I don't believe. Oh, scales. I should step on that and find out how much I weigh. I'll do that at the very end, so if you're curious on how much I weigh, you can hold out to the very end. And now I'm going into the ensuite bathtub. Oh my God, and I'm not even going to use that. There's that other bathroom and there's a bathtub. Oh, so many luxuries. And a shower. Does it have a rain shower? No, not this one, but I hope it's okay. I'm sure it'll be fine. Another toilet and more storage space. More storage space. I tend not to use storage space because it makes it a little harder for when you want to check out. And the way that I travel, I move quite fast. Like, I'm only here for one night, then I'm at the Traders Hotel for the next 4 nights. So these sort of storage places, I kind of think that they're a bit of a trap, because you can easily lose stuff. You don't want to spread yourself out too much with hotels like this. But if you stay here for long term, oh my God, one could. Curious to see how much I weigh? I am. I haven't checked myself in ages. I'm in holiday mode. This is day 4. How does this thing even work? No battery. I bet you there's no batteries in there. Let's have a look. Oh, there is. Sorry, I just had to, I just get distracted here and there. Let's just see. Are you on? Maybe it just needs me to step on it. Nope. Okay. Oh well, disregard that. That was a waste of time. Maybe I might edit that out, or maybe I won't. Anyway, that is the room. And another picture. And a TV. My gosh, it is massive. I can't believe how big this is. I feel so spoiled. And to be honest, I don't actually remember paying for more than $100 per night here. So, that is absolutely amazing. I am so impressed. That is so cool. Anyway, I hope that you found this tour somewhat rewarding. And yeah, just to remind you, I am staying at the Face Suites here in KL. And wow, absolute wow. And you've already seen the pool area, and I'll probably give you a tour. There's also a gym as well. So, oh my God, I think I'll be back here next time. But that all depends on how well the Traders Hotel is tomorrow night. But see you then in the next video.